Matter around us. Learning objectives. After studying this unit, students will be able to know about the molecules of elements and compounds. Write the symbols of common elements. Calculate the atomicity of commonly used elements. Know about the occurrence of elements and compounds in nature and the human body and air. Understand the effect of temperature on solid, liquid and gas. Matter. What is matter? An object that occupies space and has mass is called matter. What is atom? All the matter is composed of tiny particles called atoms. The smallest unit of an element that exhibits the properties of that element is called as atom. Example, graphite lead used in the pencil is made up of an element called carbon. The most abundant atom in the universe is the hydrogen atom. Nearly 74% of atoms in the universe are hydrogen atom. Three most abundant atoms on the earth are iron, oxygen and silicon. Four states of matter are solid, liquid, gas and plasma. In solid particles are packed very close with little free space. They can vibrate, but they do not move much. Example, metal cooking vessel. Liquid particles are packed loosely with small amount of space between them, but they can move. Example, water. Gases have lot of free space. They move randomly all over the place. Example, air. Plasma is colloidal in nature. Example, blood plasma. Molecule. A molecule is made up of two or more atoms. Oxygen gas in the air that we breathe is made up of two oxygen atoms chemically combined. Ozone is a molecule. Ozone is a substance that is made up of three oxygen atoms chemically combined. Atoms of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen combine to form molecule of water H2O. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Classification of molecule. Types of molecule, number of atoms. Example, monoatomic molecules have one atom. Example, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Diatomic molecule contains two atoms. Example, O2 oxygen, H2 hydrogen, NO nitric oxide. Triatomic molecules contains three atoms. Ozone O3, sulfur dioxide SO2, carbon dioxide CO2. Polyatomic molecules have more than 3 atoms. Example, phosphorus molecule contains P4 phosphorus atoms, P4. Sulfur molecule contains 8 sulfur atoms, 8S8. Molecule of element. A molecule of an element consists of fixed number of one type of atoms. Chlorine, Cl2, contains 2 chlorine atoms. O2, oxygen, contains 2 oxygen atoms. N2, nitrogen, contains 2 nitrogen atoms. Molecule of compounds. Molecule of compound consists of a fixed number of different type of atoms. Carbon dioxide CO2 contains carbon and oxygen. Ammonia NH3 contains nitrogen and hydrogen. Hydrochloric acid contains hydrogen and chlorine. Classification of matter. Matter is classified into two broad categories, namely pure substances and mixture. Pure substances are further divided into two categories as element and compound. Example for pure substance, sodium chloride. It contains only sodium chloride molecule NaCl. So it is called as pure substance. Example for mixture, sodium chloride in water. Sodium chloride dissolved in water. It contains two substances, sodium chloride and water. It is called as mixture. Example for element, hydrogen H2, helium He. Elements contains one type of atoms. Example of compound. Hydrogen chloride HCl. Compounds contain more than 2 atoms. There are 118 known elements till date. Out of these, 94 elements occur naturally, while 24 elements are synthesized artificially in the laboratory. Elements and uses. Magnesium and phosphorus are used for making crackers. Sulfur is used as manures in agriculture. Gallium is used for making mobile phones. Silicon is used for making computer chips. Bismuth is used in diarrhea medicine. Classification of elements. Elements are classified into metal, non-metal and metalloids. Robert Boyle is the first scientist. He used the term element. He is known best for Boyle's law, PV equal to constant. Metals. Silver, copper, iron, gold, aluminium, lead, tin, nickel, zinc, sodium, mercury, magnesium and calcium are examples of metals. Non-metal. Oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, carbon, iodine, bromine, sulfur and phosphorus are examples of non-metal. Metalloids. Metalloids exhibit the properties of both metal and non-metals. Silicon, arsenic, antimony and boron are some examples of metalloid. Difference between metal and non-metal. Metal example gold. Non-metal example oxygen and hydrogen. Metals are lustrous. They have a shiny surface. Non-metals are non-lustrous. They have non-shiny surface. Metals are generally hard. Non-metals are generally soft. Most metals can be bent, beaten into sheets, and they can be drawn into wires. Non-metals cannot be bent, beaten into sheets, and they cannot be drawn into wires. Most metals are good conductor of heat. Non-metals are bad conductor of electricity. Most metals are good conductor of heat. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Metalloids. Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium are examples of metalloids. Symbols of an element. Symbol is the shortest representation of chemical elements. These symbols are accepted by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements. The symbols of most elements correspond to their first letter of their English name. For example, the symbol of oxygen is O and that for hydrogen is H. If two elements have same first letter, for the second element, first and second letters are written as simple. First letter of the symbol is always written as capital letter and the second letter as the small letter. For example, symbol of carbon is C and the symbol of calcium is Ca. Carbon and calcium have the same first letter. So for the first atom, carbon is the 6th atom, calcium is the 20th element. So for the first element, carbon symbol is C. The second coming elements, calcium, we use two letters, first and second letter, Ca, calcium. If two elements have same first and second letter, in such a case, first and trust letters are written as symbols. For example, symbol of chromium is Cr and symbol of chlorine is Cl. Chromium and chlorine have a same first and second letters. So we uses symbol for chromium is Cr, symbol for chlorine is Cl. The R and L are trusted letter. For some elements, their symbols are derived from their Latin names. Elements, Latin name, symbol. Gold, Rm, Au. Silver, Latin name argentum, symbol Ag. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Iron, ferrum, Fe, potassium, Kalium, K, sodium, natrium, Na, mercury, hydrogen, Hg. Elements in human body. Our human body consists of just 6 chemical elements, namely oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. Another 5 elements make up most of the least percentage. They are potassium, sulfur, sodium, chlorine and magnesium. Elements in air. Air is a mixture of gases. Nitrogen and oxygen make up about 99% of the air. The rest includes small amount of argon and carbon dioxide. Other gases such as neon, helium and methane are present in trace amount. Oxygen is the life-giving element in the air. Compound. A compound is a pure substance that is formed atoms of 2 or more elements combined chemically in definite proportion. Compound exhibit properties that are entirely different from the properties of their constituent element. For example, hydrogen and oxygen combine chemically and form the compound water. However, water does not have the same property of hydrogen and oxygen. For example, at a room temperature, water exists as liquid, while hydrogen and oxygen exist as gases. Also, oxygen supports fire, whereas water is used as a fire extinguisher. So, water has different properties from their constituent element hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, common salt sodium chloride is a compound made up of elements sodium and chlorine. It is used in our food, whereas sodium and chlorine are poisonous. Properties of compound. A compound is formed only when constituent elements combine in a fixed ratio. Properties of compounds are different from those of its constituent element. A compound cannot be broken down by physical method. This is because compound is made up of different elements that are chemically combined. A compound can be separated into its constant element by chemical method only. Difference between elements and compound. An element is the simplest substance. A compound is a chemical substance formed by combination of 2 or more elements. Elements combine to form compounds. Compound can be split into elements. Atoms are the fundamental particle of an element. Molecules are the fundamental particle of a compound. Chemical formula. Chemical formula is a symbolic representation of one molecule. It provides information about the element present in the molecule and the number of atoms of each element. Chemical formula of water is H2O. Chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Chemical formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Common compounds and their chemical formula. Compounds, formula, elements. Sodium carbonate, formula NaCO3. The elements present in sodium carbonate are sodium, carbon and oxygen. Packing soda, NaHCO3, sodium, Na, hydrogen H, carbon C, oxygen O. Calcium oxide, formula CaO. Elements present in it are calcium and oxygen. Calcium hydroxide CaOH. Elements present are calcium, oxygen, hydrogen. Potassium hydroxide KOH. Elements present are KOH. Ethanol C2H5OH, C, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Ammonia NH3, nitrogen, hydrogen. sulfuric acid H2SO4, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Methanol CH3OH, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Methane CH4, carbon and hydrogen. Sucrose C12H22O11, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Atomicity. Atomicity implies the total number of atoms present in one molecule of an element, compound or a substance. Phosphorus molecule P4 contains 4 atoms and a sulfur molecule S8 contains 8 sulfur atoms. Hence, their atomicity is 4 and 8 respectively. One molecule of sulfuric acid H2SO4 consists of 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atom. Hence, its atomicity is 7. 2 plus 1 plus 4, 7. Object atomicity. Chlorine Cl2, atomicity 2. Sodium Na, atomicity 1. Potassium atomicity 1. Calcium atomicity 1. Water atomicity 3. Sodium chloride atomicity 2. Hydrogen atomicity 2. Helium atomicity 1. Lithium atomicity 1. Beryllium atomicity 1. Nitrogen atomicity 2. Oxygen atomicity 2. Fluorine atomicity 2. Magnesium atomicity 1. Phosphorus atomicity 4. Sulfur atomicity 8. Effects of temperature on solid. In solid, particles are arranged very closely. When solids are heated, the particles in them gain energy and vibrate vigorously. They move slightly further apart from one another. This causes the volume of matter to increase. This process is called expansion. Change in the states. The change in the state of matter occurs during melting, boiling and freezing and condensation. For example, when a solid ice is heated to 0 degrees centigrade, it melts to become liquid water. In the same way, when a liquid water is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils to become steam. Ice is converted into water. Water is converted into water vapor. Its states are changed. How do hot air balloon floats? When air inside the hot air balloon is heated with a burner, it expands. The expansion causes the density of the air inside the balloon to decrease. Hence, the air inside the balloon has a lower density than the air outside the balloon. This difference in density allows the hot air balloon to float. Solid. When solid is heated, the particles gain energy and vibrate more vigorously. Liquid. When the melting point is reached, melting occurs. The solid changes into its liquid state. Changes to its liquid state. When a liquid is heated, the particles gain energy and vibrate more vigorously. Gas. Boiling occurs when the boiling point is reached. The liquid changes to its gaseous state. Thank you.